The flames look different from one side of Washington to the other. Chelan Hills destroying 19 homes and more than 100 structures. The Spokane wildfires scorching thousands of acres, leveling hundreds of homes. And Little Giant so far destroying 2 homes and keeping thousands on alert. And Kaiser Canyon burning more than 138,000 acres across the Colville Reservation. But after the fire comes another reality. What will it actually cost to come home?
It's a terrible tragedy in Spokane in particular, but also across eastern Washington.
The state insurance commissioner's office says after the Gray and Oregon road fires in 2023, about 2/3 of survivors were underinsured. They had insurance, just not enough to fully rebuild.
So the first thing that they might find out is, you have a $500,000 limit. Your deductible is some percentage of that, $20,000, but it's going to cost $700,000 to replace your home and its contents. That can be a surprise for people.
And even before a home burns, getting coverage is becoming harder. From 2021 to 2025, the number of Washington policies insurance companies chose not to renew rose 56%. The state says it's seen pockets of non-renewals, particularly in central and northeast Washington. For people still under level 3 go now orders around active fires, Kenton Brine, the president of the Northwest Insurance Council, says don't wait to call your insurer.
If they're in an actual evacuation order, not a prepare to evacuate, but an actual evacuation order, they should immediately contact their insurance company because they may be entitled to or have access to benefits like additional living expenses that will help them afford to stay in a different location.
And for anyone who could face a fire next, Brian says there's one simple thing you can do before you ever have to file a claim.
I strongly urge people now, right now, to pick up their phone and walk through their house, take pictures, or just narrate. I got this couch a couple of years ago. We've had that TV since 2012. Anything that you can detail.
And we still don't know the full insured loss from this summer's fires. The insurance commissioner's office says its first formal claims data from the Spokane complex fires should come in by the end of this month. In the newsroom, Bridget Chavez, King 5 News.